Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 200 moving average on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to insert here at the top left. Click on it, go to indicators, trend, and choose this one, moving average. So click on it. Now we have here period. Make sure you type 200. We have here the method. You can choose any method you want. So for me, I will stick with simple. We have here style. You can choose the color from here. So I will choose, for example, this color, crimson. And we have here the thickness of your moving average. So I will choose, for example, this one. And click on OK. And as you can see, we have here this moving average, the 200 moving average, as you can see, this one. In that sense, so I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.